Hi guys, as they say, winter is here, and do you want to try out some Instagram worthy ramen with some hot broth or even some brewed beer? Let me tell you the place. So this is Robin's Ikigai that is situated on the way to Katpadi. இந்த இடத்த நீங்கள் மிஸ்ஸே பண்ண முடியாது. அப்படி என்ன ஸ்பெஷல்னு கேட்குறீங்களா? லெட் மீ டெல் யூ, ஐ ஆம் ஸோ ராமன்டிக். எக்ஸாக்ட்லி, ராமன் தாங்க இதோட ஸ்பெஷாலிட்டியே. The rooftop dining spot is summer cozy day tribes, so go with your loved ones and enjoy this place. We start with some root beer and watermelon mocktail. ரெண்டுமே non-alcoholic summer taste. The next up is paneer momos. The paneer momos outside was crispy, inside filling was fluffy and soft, and the gochujang paste adichukave mudiyadhu. Next up is the hero of the story, ramen. Take a moment to appreciate this. And the noodles were thick and slurpy. The broth was hot and warm and spicy. Summer combination we ate with chopsticks. Finally, kathikto and we are so proud. Next up is a